Friends, thanks for watching this installment of Unboxing Alaska. This is from Ruby Creek. It had a beautiful view. It's one of the few days the sun was shining. If you go back and watch that video, it's a short video, but you can see some of the rocks I got. Mostly I focused here on this creek, getting some quartz and some rocks that were ready to tumble that were pretty smooth. So that's what we expect to find in here. About what I remembered, a lot of quartz, a lot of silica-rich material, some nice veining on that one. Don't think we're really going to have any igneous rocks in here. Some of these quartz were translucent if you go back and watch the video, so let's get these rinsed off. About what we expect, but some of these just look like they've already been tumbled for me, so that's why I picked them up. Other ones just had some neat banding with the quartz and the mica schist. And then this one was pretty neat because you could see that layer of quartz going right through it. Probably won't tumble that, it's more of a specimen. And then this one mostly quartz, but you see the mica hadn't quite worn away. This one had like a little bit of a translucent to it. So I'm going to try and polish the top of that, see if we can't get that to take a good shine. About what I remember, a lot of small quartz tumblers, some translucent and yep, get them wet so you can see what they look like. Not bad. That'll wrap it up for this video. That was really cool. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more great content and follow along the playlist called Unboxing Alaska. Thank you so much and God bless you.